Let's talk about one of the most exclusive golf communities in Indian Wells, the Reserve. If you're looking for privacy, luxury, and a lifestyle that feels like a five-star retreat year-round, this one's worth a closer look. There are about 250 homes here. Think custom estates, villas, casitas, and bungalows, ranging anywhere from the low 2 million to well over 6 or 7 million for larger homes with killer views. Everything is fee simple, so no land leases. Talking about the HOA dues, you're looking at around $1,000 to $1,400 a month. That covers 24/7 guard-gated security, pristine landscaping, and all the infrastructure you'd expect in a high-end community. But keep in mind, club membership is totally optional. You don't have to join, but most people do. The Reserve Club is where the magic happens. It's member-owned, ultra-private, and includes a 21-hole championship golf course with no tee times. Yes, really. The practice facilities are insane, and the dining, next level. There are two main membership options. The full golf membership is around $200,000 to join, with $37,000 in annual dues. The social membership is about $100,000 to join and gives you full access to dining, spa, fitness, tennis, and even the practice areas for the first year. Homes here are designed to blend with the desert. You'll see a mix of Tuscan, Southwestern, and modern architecture. Lots of natural stone, warm tones, and seamless indoor-outdoor living. This place is peaceful, but it's far from isolated. You're 5 minutes to El Paseo, right above the living desert, and just a short drive to the Indian Wells Tennis Garden. Plus, residents get a golf discount at the city courses. A nice little perk. And yes, this is a no short-term rental zone. Minimum 29-night stays only, which means you won't find strangers rolling in every weekend. It's designed to be quiet, private, and community-focused. If you want the full experience, I can line up a tour, walk you through current inventory, and explain how club membership works, including what it would benefit you to know if you're planning to make the Reserve your full-time home or seasonal escape. Shoot me a message if you want to talk options or see what's available right now.